Hello everyone. In this video we are going to talk about how Java is different from C and C++. Okay, how Java is different from C and C++. Java is similar to C language. Java is also similar to C++ language. That means Java is derived from C as well as C++ and some of the additional features. So that is nothing but, let us assume that this is the C language. Okay, and this is the C++ language. CPP language is derived from C. And after that, to develop a lot of different applications, we have Java language, and this Java language is derived from C, CPP and some of the additional features. So this is the relation between C, C++ and Java. Okay, so this is our equation. Okay, but in this case we should know that some of the concepts of the C and some of the concepts of C++ which are not used in the Java language. Okay, let us discuss each and every detailed information point by point, and it is one of the important question in examination also. Okay, so let us find out the differences between C and Java. So the first one comes under C language, and the other side we are going to talk about Java language. Okay, so let us talk about the point 1. So the point 1 is C is procedure. So C is procedure oriented language. C is procedure oriented language. That means what? A program is going to be divided into number of functions. Okay, so if you go for the large program or complex program, the program is completely based on the functions. That one we can call it as procedural oriented language. And coming into this side, Java is object oriented language. Java is object oriented language. That means in the Java language we should require classes and objects to do any program. Okay, so this is our point 1. And as we discussed earlier, C is platform dependent. Okay, platform dependent programming language. So that means we have exe file. This exe file is suitable for only Windows. Okay, so this exe file is not executed in other operating systems like Mac OS, like Android, like Solaris, okay, like Unix. So it is non-executable file. So that is nothing but it is this program. C program is suitable for only one kind of OS. Whereas CPP, whereas Java, so Java is platform independent language. That means we have dot class file, and this dot class file is suitable for any type of operating system as we discussed earlier. So like it is suitable for the Windows, and it is suitable for the Mac, it is suitable for the Unix, it is suitable for the Android. Okay, so this is the one major important point. So C side and Java side. C language supports one of the important topic, that is nothing but pointers. Okay, so this pointers is completely eliminated in the Java language because it leads to confusion for the programmer, as well as the program is very complex, very difficult to understand. So that is the reason pointers are eliminated from the Java language. That is nothing but Java does not support pointers. But C language, it is very important topic. And let us go for next point. Like there are some keywords like size of, okay, like type def. So these keywords used in C language. These keywords used in C language. Whereas Java language, these keywords like size of and typedef both are not supporting. Right? So let us go for the next point. In C language, we have one of the jump statement that is nothing but goto. Goto strongly supports, but in Java language, goto statement is not supporting. Okay, it leads to the confusion for the programmer. So goto statement is not supporting. Preprocessors like hash include and hash define is available in C language, but whereas Java language, see, this hash include is not available, as well as hash define is also not available. In place of this, we are using the keyword is called import. We can use import keyword. Next, Java does not support one of the important concepts from C language, that is nothing but structures and unions. Okay, so in the C language, these two topics are very important, whereas Java language, no structures, no pointers. In place of that, we are using classes. C language supports, there are storage classes like so in C language there are storage classes like auto, register, extern and signed, unsigned. These keywords are available in C language, storage classes as well as signed and unsigned. But unfortunately in Java language, this auto, extern, register, signed and unsigned not available in the Java language. Okay, so these are the some important differences between C and Java. And there is one common point here, that is nothing but enum, that means enumerated data type. So enumerated data type is available in C language as well as it is available in Java language. Okay, so these are the various differences of C and Java. C is procedural language, Java is object oriented language, it is platform independent language, C is platform dependent language, Java is platform independent language. And in this case, C language supports .exe file, Java language supports .class file. It is executed for any operating system. And C supports size of keyword and typedef keyword. Java does not support size of and typedef keyword. And C language supports like goto statement, and whereas Java does not support goto statements. Okay, C supports structures and unions and Java does not support structures and unions. And C language supports preprocessors like hash include and hash define, but Java does not support that information. Okay, so in place of that we have import statement. And C language supports structures and unions, Java does not support structures and union. In place of that we have classes. And there are no storage classes from the C language. There are storage classes in C language, but these storage classes are not supported in Java language. So these are the various differences between C and Java. So let us go for differences between C++ and Java. So we know that what are the differences between C and Java. So let us go for C++ and Java. And coming to the first point, C++ is C++ is pure object-oriented programming language, whereas Java is pure as well as true object-oriented programming language. That means pure means it supports all the concepts of OOPS. Okay, but in C++ program we can write programs without classes. Okay, whereas Java, it is pure. That means it supports all the concepts. True means without classes, no program in Java language. Okay, without classes, no program in Java language. So this is the first important point. Both are object oriented, but it is pure as well as true. True means without classes we are unable to write program. Pure means it supports all the features of OOPS approach. In CPP we are using pointers as like C language, but in Java no pointers in Java language. Okay, so pointers are available in C++, pointers are not available in Java. Okay, and C++ is going to be allocate the memory, and deallocate the memory as per programmer. Okay, as per the programmer. But in this case, allocating and deallocating of the memory by JVM. Whatever memory required by the programmer, that memory is taken by the JVM. If there is no memory, that is deallocated by the JVM. Everything is under control of JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Okay, so it is a heart of Java language. So C++ not supporting go to statement. C++ supports go to statement, whereas Java not supporting go to statement like C language. Okay. Automatic typecasting it supports. Okay, so it is not supporting automatic typecasting, so we had to perform typecasting whenever we needed. Implicit typecasting automatically generated, but explicit typecasting we had to do ourselves in the program. Okay, so we'll do one program in further stages. And next one, C++ strongly supports multiple inheritance. C++ strongly supports multiple inheritance, whereas Java language, it does not support multiple inheritance through classes, but this property we can achieve through the interfaces concepts. Okay, in classes we are unable to achieve this property, but in interfaces we can achieve this property. Say in C++ we have access specifiers like private, public and protected friend. Total we have 4 types of access specifiers. Here also same, like private, public and protected. In place of friend we have default keyword we should use. So this is the differences between access specifiers. And one more important point, in CPP we have constructors and destructors. Whereas in Java only constructors. Okay, only constructor. So assign values to the variables, and releasing of the assigning values by constructors and destructors. Assigning values by constructor, by defaultly Java is going to be deallocate the memory. It is going to be take care of JVM. So this is the differences between CPP and Java. Okay. So Java is derived from some concepts of C, some concepts of C++, and additional concepts we are going to learn. Okay, I hope you understand what are the differences between C and Java, as well as CPP and Java. Okay, so like CPP is CPP is like pure object oriented program, and Java is like pure as well as true object oriented program. And there are no pointers in CPP. There are pointers in CPP, there are no pointers in Java. Whereas in C++, allocating memory and deallocating memory is responsible of the programmer. And coming into this side, allocation and deallocation of memory will be taken care of JVM. Okay, CPP supports goto statement, Java does not support goto statement. Okay, automatic typecasting is available in C++. Automatic typecasting is not available in Java language, but implicit casting is available. But explicit typecasting we have to do whenever we required. Multiple inheritance supported by the CPP. Here multiple inheritance is supported, but we can achieve this property through interfaces. Okay, so whereas this case CPP, we have storage classes, we have access specifiers. That access specifier is also same, but in place of friend we have to use default. And constructors, destructors available, only constructors are available. So this is the information about how Java language is differ from C and C++. I hope you understand this topic. If you understand this topic, like this video and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Bye. Take care.